Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am making pepper chicken fry. Please watch this, not skipped. First of all, cleaned chicken pieces. We add 1 spoon turmeric powder, adding salt. Mix it well. Add little bit of water. Mix it well. Marinate for half an hour. Cover the lid. Next, small pan on the stove. Add 1 spoon pepper. Add 1 spoon coriander seeds and cumin seeds and all garam masala ingredients. Fry it well. Low flame. After fry, let cool. Grind it well, fine powder. Next, pan on the stove. Add 3 spoons oil. Oil is the heated. Add chopped onion. Fry it well. Medium flame. After fry, add marinade chicken pieces. With water. Boil it well. Medium flame. Cover the lid. After 3 minutes, adding salt. Add half spoon coriander powder. Add half spoon cumin seeds powder. Add garlic cloves. Add grated ginger. Mix it well. Cover the lid. After 2 minutes, add green chilli and curry leaves and coriander leaves. Mix it well. Fry it for 5 minutes. Low flame. Cover the lid. After 5 minutes, add red chili powder. Mix it well. This chicken was cooked very well. Fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, mix it well. This fry recipe is fast ready. Next, add pepper garam masala powder. Mix it well. Fry it for 2 minutes. This recipe is rasam with rice and roti. Good combination. After 2 minutes, yummy, tasty, spicy chicken pepper fry ready. Ready to be served. I hope like this video. Support our channel. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.